Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a clear, high-resolution photo that ensures accurate hair edge detection. Once in the app, tap Edit and select the Hair or Layers tool. This begins the transformation. Use a soft brush around 10 to 30 px and set opacity to about 70% so the change blends naturally. Paint new hair shapes, following the hairline, and make small strokes. This avoids harsh edges. If the app auto-detects hair, confirm the selection and refine manually where necessary. Now you refine shape and color to make the style believable. Use warp or smudge tools to follow natural hair flow. This corrects geometry and keeps movement coherent. Once done, pick a color by sampling tones from the original hair. Add highlights at roughly 20 to 30% to simulate light. Apply layer masking and erase hard edges, then feather the mask between 3 and 8 pixels to soften transitions. Make incremental changes and zoom out frequently. Seeing the whole face helps maintain proportion and realism. Finish by applying global adjustments to blend the hairstyle with the photo. Slight contrast increases and minor saturation tweaks harmonize tones. Once satisfied, export at high quality or save a layered file so you can revise later. If things look off, undo the last 3 steps and reduce the hair layer opacity to 40 to 60%, then reblend edges and redo highlights. This fixes color and placement errors. Lastly, preview at full size to confirm natural lighting and remove any visible seams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.